Was Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor sentenced to death at Guantanamo Bay? No, that's not true. There is no evidence that Sotomayor has been arrested or sentenced to death as of March 15, 2022, as claimed in an online article. Also, the claim was made on a self-described satirical website that publishes articles for entertainment purposes. The claim originated in an article, published by Real Raw News on March 10, 2022, titled, "Military Tribunal Sentences Sonia Sotomayor to Death." It opened, quote, "Former Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor was sentenced to hang by the neck until dead after a military commission at Guantanamo Bay found the Obama appointee guilty of treason and betraying her oath to uphold the Constitution of the United States." End quote. Users on social media only saw this title, description and thumbnail, quote, "Military Tribunal Sentences Sonia Sotomayor to Death." Real Raw News. Former Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor was sentenced to hang by the neck until dead after a military commission at Guantanamo Bay found the Obama appointee guilty of treason and betraying her oath to uphold the Constitution of the United States. On Monday, March 7, the deep state justice had her day in court and found. End quote. The article refers to Justice Sotomayor as a former Supreme Court justice, but that is inaccurate as she is a current member at the time of writing. A Google search using the keywords, Sonia Sotomayor sentenced to death, also provided no substantiation of this claim. Lead Stories reached out to the Supreme Court and the Pentagon concerning this claim. We will update this response if they respond. Real Raw News has a long history of publishing false claims in mock news stories, many of them about convictions and executions of various public figures at Naval Station Guantanamo Bay in Cuba. For example, the site reported former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton was hanged. She wasn't. Former White House Chief of Staff John Podesta was executed. He wasn't, and that the military convicted former Attorney General William Barr on charges of treason. It didn't. The website for Real Raw News includes a disclaimer that warns readers not to take its content too seriously. Specifically, it says, quote, "Information on this website is for informational and educational and entertainment purposes. This website contains humor, parody, and satire. We have included this disclaimer for our protection, on the advice on legal counsel." End quote. Source: RealRawNews.com. Screenshot taken Tuesday, August 3, 16 hours 39 minutes and 48 seconds. Coordinated Universal Time 2021. Lead Stories has covered claims published by Real Raw News in the past. Previous Lead Stories debunks of Real Raw News items is collected here.